In this video, we're going to learn how to solve the chemistry problems under Alkanoates. So basically, we are dealing with esters in these videos, and we have about 13 to 14 objective questions to practice with in the video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, which of the following substances could be responsible for the banana test of a food flavor? We have methylbenzene, we have butanol, ethanol, we have pentyl ethanol. So basically to be an ester, which is this option D. Okay, the next question with this one, it says, what is the major product formed when this ethanol reacts with this? So you're going to have it to be, the product would be will give us ethyl ethanoate. All right, so the right answer would be option A. It's option A. To pronounce this is ethyl ethanoate. Okay, an ester. So the next question with this one, it says the name of the compound is, so this compound would be our, if you're naming this would be your propyl propanoate. Propyl, because we have 3 carbon atoms after the second oxygen atom. Alright, so that's why it's propyl pentanoate. Okay, option A is the right answer to this question. Something is applicable to this one. We finish attempting. So to name this is ethyl ethanoate. We have 2 carbon atoms after the second oxygen atom. So that's the order you follow. So the next question with this one, we have which of the following is used widely in the manufacture of flavors and perfumes? So it will be an ester basically, or alkanoate. Either call it alkanoate or ester. So the right answer is option A. Let's take question with this one. They say the IUPAC name of this is what? So this would be, because we have 2 carbon atoms after the second oxygen atom here, so it's going to be ethyl then propanoate. Okay, so ethyl propanoate will be the right answer to this question. Alright, so option D, ethyl propanoate. Okay, so that's it for this question. Next question will be this one. It says, which of the following organic compounds will react with sodium triiosocarbonate to break carbon dioxide? So the one that has carboxylic acid group will be the answer. So we have seen it. Option D, we are having COOH, a carboxylic acid group. Alright, so that's the answer to this question, option C. Alright, so the next question will be this one. It says, what is the IUPAC name of this? So this is my one. This will give us methyl, because we're having 1 atom of carbon after a second oxygen atom. Alright, so this will give us methyl propanoate. The right answer is option D. So that's how you name this, methyl propanoate. Alright, so the next question with this one, it says, which of the following reactions represent the hydrolysis of an alkanoate? So the one that represents the hydrolysis of an alkanoate is this one that involves water. So water is reacting with, let's check guys, so it won't be option A, because dealing with hydrolysis, right? So water has to be involved, so it's obvious it will be this one that has water involved. This option D. Alright, so this water reacts with our ethyl ethanoate. So that's the right answer to this question, option D. Okay, it's not option C guys, the correct one is option D. The next question will be this one. It says, consider the following compound. The compound with the structure is an alkanone. Alright, option D is the right answer to this question, alkanone, taken to this particular structure guys. Next question with this one, it says, which of the following compounds is an alkanoate? Okay, so it can be option C, it's having a carboxylic acid group. So this option A is our ethanoic acid, so it can be it. So it can be option B, we are looking for alkanoate, so it can be option C. This one has no H group, so the right answer is option D. So this is, if you want to name this will give you your methyl ethanoates. So it's option D. That's the right answer to this question. Let's repeat the question with this one. It says alkanoates are produced from alkanols by esterification. Option B. So this is obvious question. Its option comes as, so take note of this particular question. Next question will be this one. It says, which of the following structures represent that of ethyl ethanoate? Okay, so we're looking for ethyl ethanoate. It will be this option C. So if you check carefully, you will see that we will have 2 carbon atoms here after the second oxygen atom. So this is ethyl alone. So what we have here is ethanoate. Alright, so the right answer is option C. That's for this question. Next question, this one. It says the major products formed at the reaction between ethanoic acid and aqueous sodium hydroxide is, so the right answer will be our sodium ethanoate. Alright, so that's what we're going to get, the product that will be formed. Then the last question I have before I end this video with this one. It says we should identify this structure. So this is basically an alkanoate, right? So when you rearrange this structure we have here, you are going to see that it's an alkanoate. So option C is the right answer to this question. This basically can do problems involving esters or alkanoate for chemistry practice with 14 repeated questions with this in this video for this topic. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel, what you learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question at the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button. You'll be getting premium information that will help you to excel in your next exams of writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the next above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.